but she did it again. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna keep this intro extra short and sweet to the point. I got a makeup tutorial for you guys. It is on this look. It's here. It's here. I know you're like, damn, you all up in the camera, sis. I know. So yeah, I have this look for you guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe this video. It's gonna be a talk through, so it's not super long. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. And if you want more of these videos, make sure you drop it down below. Bye.
Make a move on, and if I do what you know, then I won't be for you.
Hey guys, so we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm gonna be using the brown with a fluffy blending brush, and I am just gonna get that all across my crease, making sure I take it up high enough and not too dark, but you definitely want it to show up. Then we're gonna go into the black. With this black, you probably want to use like a pencil brush or something to just kind of focus that. Like you guys see, it's a very thin line. I'm just adding that so it can add depth for when I do cut the crease.
A shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, I'll dedicate all my love to you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you out and let you know.
Okay, so I'm using the Naked Smoke palette. I don't remember the two names, but I point to the shades that I'm using. I really use that first shade and that second shade to kind of do my entire eyelid there. And I'm going to end up smoking the edge of it with these two colors here. And I'm just using a fluffy blending brush to kind of blend in that edge of the eye. Now I'm going to go in with Inglot Gel Liner in the number 77, and I'm just going to use my liner brush to get a nice, sharp, cut-a-bitch wing and fill that in real nice. Okay. I need to work on that. It's so weak. Now this is my favorite foundation right now, the Benefit Hello Happy in the number 11. And I am just going to put this all over my face in real Instagram fashion. And I am going to blend it in with a flat kabuki brush. And it's just going to get some nice coverage going on here, girl. I had to speed it up, yes, because this was like 18 minutes before I speeded it up. And girl, everybody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
Okay, so now I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer and Makeup Revolution concealer. The ColourPop is in dark 46 and the Makeup Revolution is in C13. I really like to use my ColourPop the most because it does give me that bright highlight that everyone needs in their life. So I am just putting that in all the areas that I want to be highlighted, and I am just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. And a little tip, sis, go get the pink beauty blender from shopmissa.com. I'm going to leave a link to it below because that is the best beauty blender that like you could have ever.
Without the reason they to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, I'll dedicate all my love to you.
Bounce that shit like, whoa. Bounce that shit like, whoa. This is not a fairy tale. Boy, you better finish it together. Hurry up, catchy ass. I'm sorry, y'all. It's late, and I just want to finish this tutorial because it's been sitting on my computer for days. I'm like, oh, bitch, upload.
No matter it's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down. What you got?
Alright guys, I'm going to use the Bronzer by Morphe in the shade Showmance, and I'm going to use that darker color to just bronze up / contour my face. And I'm using, I forgot what kind of brush I was using, but yeah, I really like this for contour, which I spoke about in my makeup haul video. I will leave a link to that below if you're curious to hear more tea about it. I really didn't focus on the nose contour. And I'm following up with my ColourPop setting powder, which is my absolute favorite right now. I love this powder. It leaves such a flawless finish. And we're just going to take that down the nose. And I think I'm going to clean that up with a brush. I don't know if I cut that out or not. No, I'm cleaning it up. I definitely clean this up because you don't want your nose contour to be crooked.
She did it again. The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I do let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see.
Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe blush trio, and I believe this is in the shade Poppy. First I really didn't like it, but I actually think it really complements my skin at this point. It looks pretty good, so yep. And I'm going to follow up with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and we are just going to drown our face in that. There's never too much setting spray, ever. Drown me, bitch. Woo!
Anybody's gonna be lonely without the.
Now I am just going to follow up with that Glow God Cosmetics highlighter in the color Peaches and Dreams. And I am just blending that out at a very sped up rate.
I'll dedicate all my love to you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to carry you out, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down, got to be down. What you got?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and even share it on Facebook if you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you want more. These are so hard for me to do, but if you guys want more, I'll definitely do more. Thanks for watching. Bye.